Alright, we're out here today with our Smith & Wesson Victory model revolver. And what I'm doing now is I'm going to test out, we're using the NEO style bullets, 200 grain. And like I told in the reloading video, they come in two different types. One, the crimping groove, there's a 50 thousandths difference in the overall length. So one will fit in an Enfield and one gives you a little more room so you have a powder option in the larger revolver, the Victory model. So what I'm going to do now at 7 yards is I'm going to see if there's a difference in this revolver. Because the idea was to order just a one style bullet to work in both guns. But since then, I couldn't locate an NEO bullet mold, but I did finally. And now I have a bullet mold that'll make the bullet with the crimp groove for this particular revolver. So the point's kind of moot, but I'm going to do the test anyway. We're at about 7 yards. I'm going to see if there's a difference between the two. Okay, we're going to try the other bullet and see what happens. Go down and take a look. Okay, this is the Enfield style bullet. It's seated deeper in the case. The grouping isn't bad, but it's shot high. Now when I use the other bullet, it's the overall length's 50 thousandths longer, it kind of lowered the point of impact, but still the grouping's still about the same. Now these bullets are sized at 362, I believe, which is about what the groove diameter is. Now that I got the mold, I'm going to go, and they will drop out of the mold supposedly at 364. And I'll try sizing them 363 and see if I can tighten these groups up a bit. But that's where we're going with that project.